Bro, I just found a YouTube niche that genuinely looks illegal. AI Stickman videos. That's it. Literal stick people are pulling millions of views while I'm over here spending 3 hours choosing a font. And the scary part? People actually watch until the end because every scene is like, okay, what stupid thing happens next? One channel has nearly 13 million subscribers. 13 million. My brain immediately went into full entrepreneur mode, so I did what any normal person would do. I started digging into the numbers. Now here's what really got my attention. According to vidIQ, this channel is estimated to be making around $4,300 every single month. But let's double check that with Social Blade. According to Social Blade, the real estimate is somewhere between $13,000 and $21,000 per month, and between $182,000 and $2,900,000 per year. And remember, those are just estimates. The actual numbers could be even higher. So this proves one thing very clearly. This niche has massive viral potential right now. And the craziest part? Most people still have absolutely no idea how these videos are actually made. Today, I'm going to show you the complete workflow from start to finish, step by step, tool by tool. Before we jump in though, if you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more viral AI niches like this. Okay, let's get into it.
For this method, we're using ChatGPT, but not the way most people use it. I spent a lot of time testing different prompts to find the one that consistently produces the best Stickman video ideas, and I found it. If you want the exact prompt, just comment the word prompt below and I'll send it to you directly. Here's how it works. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. As you can see, ChatGPT gave us 2 responses. Choose the one that suits best. I'm choosing the left one. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 completely different video ideas ready to use straight away. But here's the part that makes this really special. It doesn't just give you ideas. For every single idea, it also generates the image prompt and the video prompt for all 4 scenes automatically. Almost all the creative thinking is done for you before you even open another tool. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 4, but pick whichever one jumps out at you. And if none of them feel right, just type more and ChatGPT will generate another fresh batch of ideas instantly. Now that ChatGPT has given us everything we need, 4 scenes, each with an image prompt and a video prompt, it's time to start building the actual visuals. Copy the image prompt for scene 1. Open Google Flow and click New Project. Set it to Image 916 1x and make sure the model is set to Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in and hit Generate. A few seconds later, your first image appears on screen. And honestly, the quality is impressive. It already looks cinematic and detailed straight out of the gate without any extra tweaking or editing. Now we're going to bring that image to life. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Head back into Flow, open the image you just generated and click Animate so Flow uses it as the starting frame for the video. Set it to Video, Frames, 916, 1x, OmniFlash, and 8 seconds. Paste your video prompt in and hit Generate. Now just wait for it to render. And there it is. Scene 1 is done. Clean movement, smooth animation, and it already looks like a real cinematic clip. Now let's move to the final step. This is the step that most people miss and makes a huge difference in how professional your final video looks. Once your first video clip finishes rendering, open it and let it play all the way to the very last frame. Then click Save Frame. This saved frame becomes the starting point for your next scene. Instead of generating a brand new image and risking a visual mismatch, you're picking up from the exact moment the last clip ended. This is what keeps every scene flowing seamlessly into the next one and makes the whole video look like one continuous story. Go back, hover over that saved frame, and click Animate. Then head back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 3 video prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Flow and hit Generate.
Yo!
You've got the idea now. I'll finish the remaining scenes and be right back. And one more thing, if you want to make your video longer, just type more scenes in ChatGPT and it will continue the story for you with brand new prompts. You can keep going as long as you want.
Once all 4 scenes are ready, take them into any video editing tool you're comfortable with. I'm using CapCut, but anything works fine. Import all your clips, arrange them in order, and play through the whole thing. And honestly, I wasn't expecting it to look this good. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yo!
Crunch!
Huh?
Look at that. Smooth camera movement, cinematic lighting, incredible action sequences, tiny little details in every frame that make it feel like a real animated production. And every single thing you just watched was generated by AI in just a few minutes. This is honestly one of the best AI niches I've ever covered on this channel. And when you see how fast channels are growing with this style of content on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, it's very easy to understand why. If you want more viral AI niches, AI content workflows, and trending ideas before everyone else finds them, leave a like, comment the niche you want me to cover next, and hit subscribe, because the next AI niche I found might honestly be even bigger than this one.